Typically, an out-of-court statement offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted, also known as hearsay, is inadmissible. However, the federal rules of evidence exempt certain statements as non-hearsay and exclude others from the general rule favoring inadmissibility. In United States v. Mornan, we explore the exemption for prior inconsistent statements and the exception for past recorded recollections. Christopher Mornan allegedly operated a telemarketing scheme offering loans to high-risk borrowers. As part of the scheme, customers were told that they would have to purchase life insurance. Customers sent money orders for the insurance premiums, which Mornan then allegedly cashed at Icon Cheque Cashing Services. Mornan was charged with multiple counts of fraud. As part of the government's investigation, the prosecution deposed Althea Burton, a former Icon employee. At her deposition, Burton testified that Mornan often cashed money orders made out to insurance companies. At trial, the prosecution called Burton as a witness. On the stand, Burton claimed she couldn't remember her time as an Icon employee or her deposition testimony. Burton stated she had memory loss due to injuries sustained in a car accident after her deposition. However, the prosecution presented evidence that the accident was minor and that Burton hadn't been treated for memory loss. In addition, the prosecution showed that Burton's cousin, Icon's owner, had also been indicted in the telemarketing scheme. The prosecution sought to offer Burton's prior deposition testimony into evidence as either a past recollection recorded under Federal Rule of Evidence 8035 or as a prior inconsistent statement under Rule 801D-1A. Mornan objected, arguing that neither hearsay exception applied, as Burton hadn't adopted her prior testimony, nor was her prior testimony inconsistent with her trial testimony. The district court ruled that Burton's prior deposition testimony didn't qualify as a past recollection recorded, but determined that Burton's memory loss wasn't genuine and admitted the testimony into evidence as a prior inconsistent statement.